Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary. In today's episode, we're jumping into a great way to protect your vehicle, your project, while it's in your driveway or wherever you have it stored. Very easy way, and it'll get it nice and secure so you can continue working on it until it runs and you can enjoy it for years to come. Let's jump into this great product. The product we are talking about today is the steering wheel lock by thieves. Even if you have a security system on your vehicle, this steering wheel lock will deter even the most professional thief. The steering wheel lock is easy to install and remove with a firm sense of security that you can rest at ease knowing that your vehicle is safe and secure. With strong alloy steel and an extra set of keys, you can apply this lock in seconds on your vehicle. Also, with the plastic dip process, you won't have to worry about damaging your steering wheel when applying this steering wheel lock. Are you looking for how to get a great steering wheel lock like the thieves on your vehicle? Check the video description down below where it will take you over to Amazon, and don't forget to apply your 10% coupon to save even more on this product. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for even more DIY auto right here on the channel. As I said, it is very easy to install and remove the steering wheel lock. All it takes is 6 easy steps to apply the steering wheel lock. 1. Unlock the steering wheel lock. 2. Make sure both parts of the steering wheel lock are attached. Next, you are going to apply one side of the steering wheel lock with the hooks on the steering wheel. Pull the other side where the steering wheel lock hooks and secure it on the steering wheel on the opposite side of the steering wheel. As you can see in the video, I'm doing this with one hand while I record, so it is very easy to do. Once you have the hooks in place and extend the steering wheel lock, turn the key clockwise to lock the steering wheel lock into position, then remove your keys. And now your vehicle is safe and secure for when you need to use it next. Or you get it running if it's your nice project that you're working on. Make sure you get yours in the video link description down below. And thanks for watching, everyone. So, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for even more DIY auto repair. Thanks for watching, everyone.